Good morning, my dear sisters and brothers. We've heard how the life of the early Christian community was. Today's first reading's story began with a story of persecution. They were all thrown out from Jerusalem. They were thrown to the cities of Judea and Samaria. But we ended the story not with the triumph of persecution, but how every wonderful act of God's mission came about. As Saul was going from house to house to persecute families and communities, we always begin to see how the apostles would continue doing signs. How would they preach in their loud voices? How they would expel demons? And the story ended with that beautiful note, there was great joy in that city. At marahil matatanong natin na bakit ganun na lamang yung turnaround of events? Why not with a continuation of persecution since it began with persecution? But why a great joy towards the end? We hold on to what Jesus said in today's gospel, that for every one of us, He would not reject anyone who comes to Him, and He will be raising all of us up. He won't lose any one of us, but raise us on the last day. Ang kwento man ho sa mundo ay pagpapawalang halaga. Ngunit sa puso ni Jesus, tayo ay binibigyang halaga sa buhay na ito. Winawalang bahala man tayo ng mundo, sa Diyos, binibigyan tayo ng halaga. And these are two beautiful reminders and good news, my dear sisters and brothers, that not all stories that began with persecution will end in persecution. Not all sad or bad stories, or not all stories who began sadly or badly will end badly or sadly as well. But because we are always in the hands of Jesus, tayo ay hindi pinapabayaan ni Jesus. Every stories of persecution, every story of sadness will turn out to be an experience. There will be great joy in our stories. Let us hold on to this Easter experience, dear sisters and brothers, that we might see ourselves as well like the apostles and the early Christians, facing every bit of persecution every day. Persecution to those in front of us, persecution in our families, persecutions with our own doubts and our own self-worth. But because we won't be loosed in the hands of Jesus, every story that might began or might have been there at the beginning of a sad story will always end with a great joy, with the assurance that always that we are in the hands of God, na sa puso ni Jesus walang binabahala, lahat tayo binibigyang halaga.